Hi everyone, hi, welcome back. So I created this painting last week and we really couldn't see the interference colors that I was using, but now it's dry. You see that beautiful shine and especially the iridescent blue by golden. It's so gorgeous here on the top and it has that beautiful icy feeling of winter. So I want to create a diptych out of it. So another painting to go next to that one. I will be using the same colors. Let's get started. And I'm quite excited that in this painting I didn't use any green and I'm loving it. So I definitely love that color palette and will be working with that a lot more, I guess. And mainly I'm just using Prussian Blue and some interference colors and gold. Also, I did use some copper there. I think that was the perfect color for the contrast. Yeah, so I have no plan. Ooh, I do want to have this painting next to this one. And there I created here an open circle. So I want to start going the other direction now. Some hairs. You know, I have 2 cats and now my studio is in my house. I'm experiencing a lot more hairs in my paintings lately. Yeah, so let's create a circle here. A lot of hairs. Where are they coming from? Let's go down here. This way. Maybe from here. Shoot there. All right, let's leave that open for now. So here I have this part that is very dark. So here I want to do it on the opposite side. So let's start making this dark here. This is starting very different, and I'm liking it. This is very white at the moment, and the paint is starting to bleed. It's because of the damp background that I used. But I do want this to have a little bit of color. Let's create some color there. Now I don't blend a lot because I know I will cover here quite a lot of leaves, so this is fine. All right, so let's build up a little bit of some of that interference blue here. Yeah, I think we can already start with that. And again, we're not really seeing it right now, but when it's dry, whoo, that shines. I don't know yet how I wanna do the center part here. So I guess for you, it doesn't make the difference now when it's wet that I'm adding this interference color, but I bet you once it dries, it will. Oh, I don't think those will be matching because this part is now very delicate, really. All right, let's use some interference gold here. Is it already time for copper? I think so. Yeah, let's use some copper. Oh, and the copper will change this painting a lot. It did there too. Let's see. Sort out here. And I do want to create a harmony in the colors. I love how that blends with the blue. It's really starting to look like that one, isn't it? I'm doubting if I want the copper visible here as well. A little bit here. It's quite nice. Alright, I will be building a little bit more of the Prussian Blue, and then I will be starting with the white. So not a lot of colors. It's just white, Prussian Blue, and 2 interference colors. Most of it is all Prussian Blue, and it gives so many gorgeous shades. So I love it when it, is not the perfect stroke, but it leaves a little bit of the bare canvas there. I think that's super nice. A little bit doubting about this part here. Alright, so it's definitely time for some white. Let's build up some more contrast, some more abstract parts in this painting, because it's quite neat. You know what I will do? I will mix some copper together with the Prussian Blue, create a different shade there. But that's turning more of a purple. It's creating a purple tone. Yeah, you guys probably don't see that. Welcome to my blue era. I've been in the green era for so long. Time for a blue era, definitely. I feel this part might be too dark. I think this part, I would have liked it. This was an adequate space here. I will revisit that later. I will start working here more. Question is, would it go with that paint? I do want to have more white. Sometimes it's better to not overthink. Okay, so I think I'm almost finished. I do want to create a copper line here as the stem. Right. Liking that. Almost finished. I think if I create here some more white, I will let this dry and see what we got. I'm doubting if I want to create some overlapping lines here, just like this line here and this line here, because those overlapping lines, they sometimes make the composition. So I will just tilt this canvas a couple of times, rotate it, and see It is wild and it's quite abstract, but still I think it's very neat. Well, from here going there might be a great option. All right, I think from here going this way should be great with the Prussian Blue, because I do want that to be dark. Don't overthink it. It's like that. Yeah. All right, I like that. Really like that. So now I feel like going from this way, that way. Yeah, loving it. I'm loving this. I will let this dry and I'll be back with the dried end result. Here she is. I'm in love with this part here. I think that's so gorgeous. There's a lot of shine. I don't see it perfectly off camera, and here they are together. I think this is such a great sit. They're so much alike, but so different too, especially in real life. Yeah. These will be hanging in my studio for a long time, I think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Sunday.